Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards from PowerColor, the Hellhound Spectral White and the Reaper. Both cards feature the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT architecture and come with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. In this video, we'll delve into their designs, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The PowerColor Hellhound features a striking, spectral white design that stands out in any build, making it a great choice for those who prioritize aesthetics. In contrast, the PowerColor Reaper sports a sleek black design that appeals to gamers looking for a more understated look. Both cards are visually appealing, but your choice may depend on your overall build theme. When it comes to performance, the Hellhound boasts a higher boost clock speed of 2,460 MHz compared to the Reaper's 2,400 MHz. This slight difference can impact gaming performance, especially in demanding titles. However, both cards deliver excellent performance for 1440p gaming, making them solid choices for gamers. The PowerColor Hellhound is priced at $899. Making it a premium option for those who want the best aesthetics and performance. On the other hand, the Reaper is more affordable at $749, offering great value for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. Depending on your budget, the Reaper may be the better choice for cost-conscious buyers. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Hellhound and the Reaper offer excellent performance and features for gamers. The Hellhound stands out with its unique design and slightly better clock speed, while the Reaper provides a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much performance. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.